Togged Up, Unraveled. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a quirky English phrase that you might come across, togged up. Ever wondered what it means? Let's find out. Togged up is a colloquial phrase. It's composed of two parts. 1. Tog, an old term for clothing or a robe. 2. Up, used here to indicate the action of dressing or being dressed in a particular manner. When combined, togged up means to be dressed up, often in a special or fancy manner. Understanding a phrase is great, but seeing it in action can make it even clearer. Here are some example sentences. She was all togged up for the party. Why are you togged up? Is there a special occasion? English is rich with phrases. If you're familiar with togged up, you might also come across decked out, similarly means dressed up or decorated. Dolled up often means dressed up in a fancy or glamorous way. Remember, togged up has a casual tone. It might not be suitable for very formal contexts. For instance, in a business meeting, it would be more appropriate to say dressed formally than togged up. So there you have it, the ins and outs of the phrase togged up. English is filled with such colorful expressions. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring, and happy learning!